Beachbody coaches and customers nationwide are losing weight, feeling great, and lowering their cholesterol by incorporating Shakeology, the healthiest meal of the day, into their diet. Just add a scoop of Shakeology to 1 cup of your favorite cold beverage, blend, and you're on your way to better health. But be mindful of what you mix. Not all cold beverages are healthy or low in calories, including milk. There are many milks on the market, and each one has its own nutritional qualities that will affect your Shakeology drink. So, we've got a quick crash course in, well, milk, or Milkology 101. Among American milk drinkers, the cow is king. But obviously, if you're trying to lose weight, you want to steer, get it, clear of whole milk. At 150 calories per cup, it will more than double the calories in your shake, and the 5 grams of saturated fat isn't going to help your heart. Now, skim milk has all the protein, calcium, and vitamin D that whole milk has, minus the saturated fat and cholesterol. There are other options out there, like goat's milk. Surprisingly, goat's milk is the most common kind of milk on Earth, but only recently has it begun to seep into the American market. Now, goat's milk has more saturated fat, more total fat, and more calories than whole cow's milk, and just about the same amount of cholesterol. So that's probably not a good choice to mix with your Shakeology. There are better choices out there, like soy milk. Soy milk is heart healthy. It contains no cholesterol and very little saturated fat. It won't add many calories to your shake, but it will add more calcium, protein, and vitamin D because soy milk is fortified to be like cow's milk. But unlike cow and goat milk, soy is safe for people with lactose intolerance and milk allergies. But many people are allergic to soy, so another option is almond milk. Almond milk, like soy milk, won't add any cholesterol or saturated fat to your shake. It's lactose-free, safe for milk allergies, and there's only 60 calories a glass. But it won't add many good nutrients to your shake either. Although almonds as nuts are good sources of calcium and protein, almond milk has surprisingly low amounts. The only real downside is that nut allergies are quite common. So here's another option for people with milk, soy, and nut allergies. There's rice milk. Like soy and almond milk, it's free of cholesterol and saturated fat. It's got some calcium and vitamin D, but not as much as cow's milk. The taste is mild, so it mixes well with both flavors of Shakeology, but the downside is that it does have a whopping 113 calories per cup, so use it sparingly. Now that's the basics of Milkology 101. For more information on Shakeology, contact your coach or check out the Shakeology section on the Shop tab on TeamBeachbody.com.